Bake plenty of pastries plus blackberry pie batter. Welcome to Quick Twists on Fluent American, where we take a look at one or two sounds and practice them with a quick sentence. My name is Geoff, and today we're taking a look at the p, like in pie, and b, like in buy sounds. Pie, buy. To make the p sound, you want to press your lips together and make sure that your throat is not vibrating. Pie, pie. To make the b sound, like buy, buy, also press your lips together, but now make sure that your throat is vibrating. B, b, buy, buy. Pest, best, pest, best. Cap, cab, cap, cab. Bore, pour, bore, pour. Big, pig, big, pig.
1, 2, 3.
Bake plenty of pastries plus blackberry pie batter. Batter, pie batter. Blackberry, blackberry pie. Plus plenty, plus blackberry pie batter. Bake, bake plenty. Bake plenty of pastries plus blackberry pie batter. That concludes our look today at the p and b sounds, like in pie and buy. For more information on each of these sounds individually, be sure to check out our Broken English series, where we look at sounds in more specific detail. Also, be sure to check out our social media pages, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And also join our Facebook group if you want some more detailed practice and activities on different pronunciation sounds. My name is Geoff. Thank you so much for your time today. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.